A sum of money is divided among Devi, Likson, and Shirley in the ratio 9:8:7. After Devi gives $25 each to Likson and Shirley, the ratio becomes 16:17:15. Calculate the amount of money Devi had initially. A sum of money is divided among Devi, Likson, and Shirley, in the ratio 9:8:7. After Devi gives $25 each to Likson and Shirley, the ratio becomes 16:17:15. Calculate the amount of money Devi had initially. Let's the number which we multiply by Devi's ratio is x, to find the amount of money Devi had initially. Then, the amount of money Likson and Shirley had initially can be found by multiplying the same number, which is x. After Devi gives $25 each to Likson and Shirley, we can subtract $25 from Devi's amount to add $25 for Likson, and subtract $25 more from Devi's amount to add $25 for Shirley. -25 minus 25 is equal to -50. Now, the ratios are equal. 9x minus 50 is equal to 16. 8x plus 25 is equal to 17. And 7x plus 25 is equal to 15. As the ratios are equivalent, we can write them as fractions. As you know, we cannot write three ratios as a fraction. We have to choose two of them. Whether you can choose 9x minus 50 is to 8x plus 25 equals 16 is to 17, or 8x plus 25 is to 7x plus 25 equals 17 is to 15. Whatever you choose, the answer will be the same. Let's choose this one. So, we can write it as a fraction. 8x plus 25 over 7x plus 25 equals 17 over 15. Now, cross multiplication. 15 into 8x plus 25, and 17 into 7x plus 25. 15 times 8x equals 120x, plus 15 times 25 equals 375. 17 times 7x equals 119x, plus 17 times 25 equals 425. Combine like terms. 119x will transfer to the left-hand side, and 375 will transfer to the right-hand side. It will be 120x minus 119x equals 425 minus 375. 120x minus 119x equals x, and 425 minus 375 equals 50. X equals 50 is our solution. Our question was, calculate the amount of money Devi had initially. Initially Devi's ratio was 9. We will multiply 9 by 50 to calculate Devi's amount. 9 times 50 equals 450. Amount of money Devi had initially, $450.